How to charge your Samsung's S Pen Pro. Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to charge your Samsung S Pen Pro the right way. Whether you're new to the S Pen Pro or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through every step, including how to check the battery and how long it takes to charge. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the charging port. First, locate the USB-C charging port on the top of your S Pen Pro. It's hiding behind a small cap. Just twist or pull it gently to reveal the port. Step 2. Connect the cable. Now, take the USB-C charging cable. You can use the same one from your phone or tablet and plug it into the port on the S Pen. Then, connect the other end to a USB power adapter or any USB port, like on your computer or power bank. Step 3. Charging time. It usually takes about 15 minutes for a full charge. Once fully charged, the S Pen Pro lasts up to 16 days depending on how you use it. Step 4. Check battery level. To check the battery level, go to your Galaxy device settings, then tap Advanced Features, S Pen, S Pen Remote. You'll see the current battery percentage there. Bonus tip. Remember, keep your S Pen Pro charged if you use features like Bluetooth controls or remote gestures, as these drain the battery faster than regular writing. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to charge your Samsung S Pen Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.